Hey there content creator, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wished you could create high quality engaging video content straight from your mobile device? Well, today we are going to show you exactly how you can do that. Mobile video editing has come a long way and it's only getting better. So buckle up and let's get started. First you need to choose a great mobile video editing app. There are so many options available, both free and paid. For today's tutorial, we will be using CapCut app because of its simplicity and advanced features. Once you have downloaded and installed the app, open it up and let's dive into the interface. The interface is straightforward. At the downside, you have your timeline where your clips will go. Okay, importing and adding clips is simple. Just tap the add button and select your videos and then add. To trim your clips, just here tap and here side scissor option and click and you trim your clips. Adding transitions, this is easy. Just tap this white square box and apply to many transitions. Adding music, just see in the corner and you will get the audio icon. Just click and then import your audio. And then for color grading, so simply tap on adjust and many options to color grade your pictures, clips. And here one more thing, you can use HSL option when you are happy with your edits. It's time to export your video. In CapCut app, you can choose your resolution, frame rate and more. And done. Here's our final product.
Attention please.
All edited on a mobile device. And that's it. That's how you can edit videos on a mobile device. Now you can create amazing content wherever you are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating.